Go electric, ride smart, and experience the future of two-wheelers. Visit Quincy Motors Demtrang Shillong and make the switch to Ather today.
Umintri jong katnat labor gajala ba chaklar warjri ula pentip ba yak office jong labor block na lasken lara shipor shejawai abu juba phalo ke jingkali ke bala wanra du emily ke mokayaw ba nujor ki sungo hapo ke yeng dor bar mentagasngi uba chaklar ula ong ba ke jingra yak labor office na lasken shejawai ke denamar ke jingbam tikna ki kor internet namar ba bun ki kam hab ban le online halor kani uba nujor ki ula ong ba sngwi hab yakni ke daw namar ba ke internet ka biang hagate ki jaka badu lo ong ban lesi de na ke jings ngau jaitu jongki nong trei ban late trei shaki jaka nong kendok.
Since the Labour Department has already took one rental house in Lasken for the operational of the office of the block Labour office, and as far as my knowledge is concerned, this rental has been terminated by the concerned office. So, is it not that since the rental of the house has been terminated, is it not that the office has been shifted already to Joai?
Honorable Speaker, sir. Sir, the office has just been temporarily shifted to Joai, sir. It's not permanently shifted to Joai. And the house that was being taken on rent, Sir, like I said, it has been temporarily terminated, the house that has been taken on rent, sir.
Sir, one more supplementary. May I know from the Honourable Minister, sir, how many block Labour office that has been set up across the state, sir?
Sir, there are many block Labour offices that have been set up across the state. Sir, we have the Labour in all the districts, sir. We have the Labour office. I mean, mostly in all the blocks, and we have sent more proposals, sir, for setting up blocks in state. And sir, it's a very long list. So, if the honourable member wants, sir, I can lay it on the table of the house.
So, since block Labour office, it's very much important in almost all of the block in different parts of the state. So, what I would like to request is that the government should strengthen those particular offices, because there are so many labour who need to be registered, and most of the labourers are very poor to come to the district headquarters. So, if there is a block Labour office in each and every block, it will really help the labourers. So, I will one more supplementary, sir. Would the government, would the department considering acquiring some land and sanction some fund for construction of this block Labour office, sir, in different block?
Mr. Speaker, sir, as of now, sir, we don't have any such plans from the government. But then again, sir, if it is required, sir, we can examine and we will take a call, sir.
And one more question, sir. One last question.
Last one.
I'd just like to know from the Honourable Minister, sir, since this block Labour office in Lasken has been temporarily shut down, so may I know, sir, when will the department examine the matter and make sure that the block Labour office in Lasken will be operational again from the same rental house?
Mr. Speaker, sir, sir, one of the functions of the block is for the people who have registered with the MBOCW Welfare Board, and these registered can avail certain benefits. These beneficiaries can avail certain benefits from the board, sir. So for that, sir, the process is that we have to do it online. So hence, sir, there's a lot of interconnection issue in the area of Lasken. So that was the main reason, sir, that we've only shifted temporarily. But then again, I can assure the honourable member from Mokayao that, sir, once the internet connection is stable in the entire area, the block office will be shifted back to Lasken.
Just one more clarification, sir. Sir, I disagree with the reply of the department, sir, because Laskin block office is located at merely 200 meters away from this particular place, sir. And in that block office, there's no internet connectivity problem at all. So that's why, sir, I totally disagree with the reply from the department, sir. Maybe it's just because that those staff, they're lazy to come to rural areas, sir.
So as per the information that is available with me, sir, the shifting of the block office is purely because there was a lack of internet connection. But then again, sir, since the honourable member has mentioned, I will examine and I will sue the department, sir, to ensure and to make sure that no such things happen again, sir.
Yes, Pak Swin.
May I know from through you, sir, that some of the diseases which have been registered for long before they died, 3-4 years back, they have not availed the schemes so far. May I know the reason why?
Sir, I couldn't get the question, sir. Can you repeat again?
No. I mean those who already died 3-4 years back, they have already registered the name in the Labour Department before they died, but till now they have not received any of such schemes so far. May I know the reason why?
Mr. Speaker, sir, like I said, the labourers who are registered within the board, they have to avail such schemes, they have to apply. So maybe the next of kin did not apply for the scheme. But sir, if anyone applies for all the benefits that are there to the board, sir, everyone will be given, sir, all the benefits.